In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make Elementor images the same height. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over right here into our elementor.com. Make sure to log in if you already have an account or click on this get started right here if you don't have one. From in here, we need to head over to wordpress.com. This is because we will host Elementor in our WordPress, so make sure to create an account on WordPress by clicking on the this get started option. If you already have one, you can head over and click onto this login. As for me, I already have an account, so let me head over and click on that. Now in here is my actual dashboard. If I want to make the Elementor images the same height, I need to head over to the page that has that particular page or design that I want. Head over to the pages option that you can see right here. Scroll down and you can see right here that there are some pages that I have created with Elementor, such as this About Us page. Head over and click on this Edit with Elementor option and you should be able to see this. Now into this case, let's head over and add in here a grid. So for example, let's add a grid. So I will just add this in order to make the images side by side. Now onto the layout, you can scroll down and under the items, you can see the columns, rows, and legs. I'll remove the rows into one, and for the columns, let's choose it 3 columns. Now for the height, let's increase this into around 232 pixels just like this. So this will serve as the basis for our actual Elementor. Now click on this plus icon, or you can also head over and add in here this image widget. Add that right here. Now in here, just click on choose image and choose in here the image that you wish to add. I'll just proceed to add some more right here and I'll head over and add 3. I'll add this one and choose another image. Then add another one since we will have 3 right here. So once you have the 3 images, you should be able to see them right here side by side. If you wish to make them the same height, what we can do is we can click onto this particular container. And under the style right here, you can see their actual height. So for example, let's make that 232 like this one. Let's click onto this and go over to style and make the height as well 232 and click onto the next one. Go to style and do the same thing for the height right here, 232. And as you can see, we have now these 3 images that are the same height. So that's how you make Elementor images the same height. I hope this video helped you out.